The other pro I want to talk about is it promotes teamwork and collaboration. Anybody who gets involved in delegation, there's a sense of ownership that comes from delegation. The first is, the moment your boss asks you to do something, there is a level of confidence and pride that comes with that. Oh, my boss trusts me to do this task. My boss has entrusted me with something this important to do. So what it tells your employee is that you are valued. I value you enough to ask you to do this thing. What it means to your employee is that they are important. I consider you important enough to do this thing. It also sends signals that the boss may be considering that the boss has an outlook for me, which is important. He's asking me to do this thing. So maybe he's planning something for me. And what that does is that it gives your employees a sense of ownership so that they see a future in your business. They can see how, oh, you're asking me to do these things now. Maybe in the next 2 years, I can become a supervisor or a manager. They are building their future in your business, all because you have entrusted them with responsibilities and with tasks, right? The other thing is that it allows you to work more with your employees, because when you delegate something to them and they come back to report to you, that two-way communication is happening. You are giving instructions, you are getting feedback. And that person is giving you suggestions, ideas, inputs, and stuff like that. So you're working together as a team. Or you delegate a task and the person says, sir, the last time you asked me to do this, this is what I noticed. I suggest we do it this way, sir. That way we can save costs and we can reduce the time. So collaboration is already happening. You are getting buy-in from your team. This is different from when you go and do all the work and you're just giving your people instructions on what to do. People will feel like robots. They will feel like they are not valued enough, or you think they don't have a brain, you think they cannot think. That's why you don't want to give them tasks to do. They will think that working for you is not challenging enough. They will think that they are not growing because all they are doing is taking instructions from you and executing. And they are not robots and they don't want to feel like robots. So that's it for the pros, for the advantages. Let's now look at the downsides, or what can be disadvantages of delegation, especially when you don't get it right, when you don't do it well. Which, by consequence, is me admonishing you to listen carefully to the things I'm going to be teaching you in this course. Because if you don't get it, even though delegation has fantastic benefits, if you don't do it well, you might end up not getting the benefits, or you might end up suffering damages or negative consequences, right? So the first downside is it can lead to mistakes, which is expected. If you're asking somebody to do something they've not done before, or you're asking somebody to do something and you've not made it very clear, you've not made sure that they have the knowledge or the skill to get this thing done, you've not given enough directions, of course there'll be mistakes. But even though I'm putting this here as a downside, the upside is that mistakes are opportunities to learn. Because by the time they make a mistake and you help them realize what they did wrong, guess what will happen the next time they go to do it? If this is a sensible employee, they will not repeat the mistake. So mistakes are opportunities for learning and feedback. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now. Join thebmg.com.